How to get free credit card for your Discord Nitro. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now I'm going to show you how to get that free credit card. So let us go to our preferred browser. So for me, my preferred browser is Chrome. So I will be opening it and then type in Skrill. Once you're here, go for that link titled Skrill Virtual Wallet for money transfers and online payments. So this is the second link here. Click on that. Once you are here in the Skrill homepage, just click on that register button up at the top. And in here, just type in your needed information or your essential information, like first name, last name. So you just type it there, right here. Also your country, your currency, and email and password. And then just click on register after you are done. And after that, you will be able to access the virtual credit card for Skrill, which you can use for shopping and online payments, as well as use it for your Discord Nitro on our servers. So thank you for watching.